Hey, I could probably play Doom on this. This is Razer's Blackwidow V4 wireless gaming keyboard. Whew, that's a mouthful. This is a awesome keyboard. I can't stress that enough. I love this thing. The build quality is amazing, and these lights, man, look at these lights. I was never much of an RGB person, but the way I could customize these into the way I like is perfect. So this is a wireless keyboard. You can use a 2.4 receiver or Bluetooth or wired mode. It has two-way adjustable feet at the bottom, short and long. I prefer the long ones. And the build quality on this thing is freaking solid. It is sturdy as heck. The gaskets are amazing. It's a good quality keyboard. Now, another thing I love about this keyboard, it has a magnetic wrist rest. Now it just lines up and claps right on there. It's a pretty good feeling. It's a leatherette wristlet and it feels nice. It's cushiony. Now, I know you're curious about the OLED screen in front, but let's check out the sound test, and that's very important. Sounds great, right? But if you're not happy with the way it sounds, this keyboard is hot swappable. With the tool provided, you can remove the PBT double shot keycaps to reveal Razer's orange switches. If this is your first time messing with keyboards, not to worry. If you happen to break one of the switches, Razer offers 3 extra in the box. Now onto the screen. As standard, it goes up as a volume control, up or down, and when you push in the middle, you could switch out the options. But if you install Razer Synapse into your computer and Razer Chroma, everything goes wild. Now, I would please ask you to switch your phone sideways to really understand what's going on here. Here's some pretty simple presets that you could use to have your keyboard light up, or you could do everything individually and set it up the way you want. There is an unlimited amount of ways that you can configure your keyboard in a whole bunch of different colors and reactions, and it's just, you have to figure out what you like and how you like it, and the great thing, it's fully customizable. And this is the Chroma visualizer, so if you're listening to music, this will have the keyboard lights react to whatever sounds that are coming out of the computer. As if you was playing a video game, listening to music, the lighting will react to it. Here, you could fully customize your keys in the way you like them set up. If you want to set up certain macros or different functions, this is where you would do that. This is fully customizable any way that you like. So here's where we start customizing the OLED screen on the keyboard. There's a bunch of different options that you could do, but I like the video option right here. And I'm going to upload a GIF of Porygon transforming into other Porygons. It's pretty simple. It asks you where you want to crop and how you like to set it up. And after you're finished setting it up, you would have to upload it and apply. Once you apply, it'll download the video into the keyboard. And voila, there he is, trapped in a keyboard screen, forever evolving. Now I did end up setting up my own customization, a light blue background with pink lights that light up whenever I touch it. It's reactive. And that's the way I set it up to match my boy Porygon. Thank you for watching my video. Now I just demonstrate a quick unboxing to show how everything was packed. There was plastic on top of the keyboard, but I did take that off, just so you know.